Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher, and you know very well exercise 20 is going on. So today we will discuss the last question of exercise 28. So firstly see the question number 15. And question number 15 is a wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 cm. If the wire is rewound into a rectangle of length 12 cm, find its width. Which figure includes more area and by how much? So see the solution of this question carefully. This question is very important. Firstly, side of a square is how much? 10 centimeter. Okay. So parameter of the square is parameter of the square equals to 4 multiply side. So 4 multiply 10 and 10 for the 40 centimeter. Clear beta? Since this is rewound into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter. So its parameter equals to 24 plus 2b equals to 40. So 2b equals to 40 minus 24. 2b equals to minus करते बेटा 16. So breadth equals to 2 8 जा 60. 2 8 जा 60. क्लियर बेटा? तो आप लिखेंगे the area of the square. You know very well, side multiply side, and side is 10 meter, 10 centimeter, 10 multiply 10, and 10 10 is 100 centimeter square. Clear beta? As it is, the area of the rectangle equals to length multiply breadth, and you know very well length is how much? 12 and breadth is 8 and 12 8 is 96 centimeter square. Thus the square occupies more area by 4 centimeter square. 4 centimeter square. Again, see, side of a square is 10 centimeter. This is given part. Okay. So first of all, we find parameter of the square, and parameter of the square, you know very well, 4 multiply side. Side is 10. So 10 4 is 40 centimeter. Clear beta? Now, since this is rewound, उसे बना रहे हैं हम into a rectangle of length this. उसे हम उसे रिवाइंड करके क्या बना रहे हैं? एक रेक्टेंगल बना रहे हैं जिसकी लेंथ कितनी है? 12 सेंटीमीटर. सो दोनों का एरिया क्या होगा? सेम होगा. सो इट्स पैरामीटर 24 प्लस 2b इक्वल्स टू 40. 40 इज यहां से क्या फाइंड करना है हमें? b ब्रैकेट. सो बेटा 2b एज इट इज 24 को लेफ्ट राइट में ले जाएंगे, माइनस करेंगे 16. 2 8 जा 16. सो ब्रैकेट कितनी है बेटा आपके पास? 8 centimeter. Clear बेटा? So the area of the square is side multiply side, 10 10 is 100 centimeter square. As it is, the area of the rectangle length multiply breadth 12 is 96. बेटा ये मोर है आपके पास 100 centimeter square, ये 96 से जस्ट दोनों को माइनस किया 4 आएगा. तो आप लिखेंगे the square occupies more area by 4 centimeter square. So everyone clear बेटा? Now after this, see the next question. Now question number 17. the area of the four walls of a room is 168 meter square. So first of all write, लिखते हैं बेटा, the area of the four walls equals to area of four walls of a room equals to 168 meter square. Clear beta? This is given. Now the width and height of the room is 10 meter and 4 meter. So width means breadth and breadth is 10 meter. So B is 10 meter. Okay. As it is height. So height means h and h is 4 meter. Okay beta? Then find the length of the room. Find the length of the room. So let the length of the room be x. आपने क्या लेट किया कि सपोज कि जो लेंथ है वो कितना है x है. So you know very well the area of four walls is, yes student, area of four walls is 2 length plus breadth and multiply height, yes or no? Okay, and this is given how much? 168 meter square. Clear beta? And put all values. To length is x let किया आपने बेटा, and breadth is 10 and height is 4 equals to 168. Okay, and ये दोनों वैल्यू कहाँ चलते आएंगे? डिवाइड बेटा. So 168 divided by 2 multiply 4. You know very well 4 4 the 16, 4 2 the 8 and 2 2 the 4 and 2 1 the 2. So x plus 4 equals to 21 or x equals to 21 minus 10 just 11 meter. 11 meter means hence the length of the room, the length of the room equals to 11 meter, and 11 meter is the required answer of this question. So everything clear beta? Now after this see the next question. Now see the question number 19, and question number 19 is the area of four walls of a room is 120 meter square. So this is given part. So firstly ये लिखेंगे बेटा, the area of the four walls of a room equals to how much? 120 meter square. Clear beta? Now if the length of the room is twice its breadth, breadth ही क्या है वो twice है. So firstly let the width of the room, the breadth of the room be x meter. So the length of the room how much? Twice. So 2x. Clear beta? According to this one, you know very well the area of four walls is 2 length plus breadth multiply height, and this is given 120 meter square. Clear beta? 2 length is how much? 2x, breadth is x, and height is given in question how much? 4 meter. Height is given 4 meter. Okay, 4 120 as it is. Clear students? So 2 as it is 2x and 1x 3x, 4 as it is equals to 120 meter. 4 3 is 12 and 12 to the 24. X equals to 120. So value of x equals to 120 divided by 24, and you know very well 12 to the 24, 12 1 is 12 and 2 5 is 10. So value of x equals to 5. Value of x equals to 5. Clear beta? Now length value put करेंगे बेटा. So breadth b equals to how much? X. value of x is 5 meter, as it is length, and length is twice, means 2 multiply 5, so 5 meter, 10 meter. Question is find the area of the floor. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर. तो आप लिखेंगे बेटा द एरिया ऑफ द फ्लोर. You know very well, length multiply breadth. Length is 10 and breadth is 5, and 5 times 50 meter square. 50 meter square. This is a required solution. So everyone clear beta? So the area of the floor is 50 meter square. Is the required answer of this question. Now after this is the next question, question number 20. Now see the question number 20, and question number 20 is a room is 8.5 meter long and 6.5 meter broad and 3.4 meter high. It has two doors, each measuring 1.5 meter by 1 meter, and two windows, each measuring 2 meter by 1 meter. Find the cost of painting its 4 walls and at rate 160 rupees per meter square. So see the solution of this question carefully. This question is very important. So firstly we find area of 4 walls. The area of 4 walls, and you know very well area of 4 walls 2 L plus B multiply height. Length is given beta 8.5 centimeter and breadth is given 6.5 and height is given 3.4. So 2 4 are 8 and 2 3 are 6. Multiply 5 5 10 and 8 6 14 and 1 15. Then multiply, so 102.0 meter square. Then the area of 2 doors and 2 windows. 2 windows equals to 2 multiply length multiply breadth, दोनों के लिए सेम होगा बेटा. So 15 2s are 30 means 3.0 and 2 2s are 4, so 7 meter square. Area to be paint, area to be paint, जो हम पेंट कर रहे हैं एरिया वो क्या हो जाएगा बेटा 102 minus 7, so required is 95 meter square. Therefore the cost of painting equals to 95 multiply 160 rupees. So 150,200 rupees is the required answer. Clear students? So again see this question. The area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls 2 length plus breadth multiply height. Length, breadth and height is given. Length is 8.5 meter and breadth is 6.5 meter and height is 3.4. So add multiply करने बेटा 2 4 are 8 and 2 3 are 6. Then add करने बेटा, so 5 5 10 8 6 50 8 6 14 and 1 15 and 15 multiply करें तो 102 meter square. Area of 4 walls. Clear बेटा? Now the area of 2 doors, because 2 doors given and 2 windows given. So दोनों के लिए find करेंगे the area of 2 doors and 2 windows. So 2 doors के लिए length breadth given है बेटा 1.5 meter and 1. So this, and windows के लिए given है 2 by 1. So this. So बेटा 50 to the 30 means 3.0 because 1 digit के बाद point है as it is here 2 to the 4. Add करते हैं बेटा 7 meter square. So area to be paint means जिस area में हम paint कर रहे हैं. Total is 102 से minus करेंगे बेटा 95 meter square. So therefore the cost of painting 95 multiply 160 rupees, so multiply करेंगे बेटा, so 15,200 is the required answer. Everyone clear बेटा? Now today work is closed बेटा. Have a nice day बेटा. Thank you.